So today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change your RAM in your 2009 MacBook Pro. This is the 13-inch model. I picked up, or I had a OWC RAM kit sent to me, and I also received a tool kit. Has all kinds of tools in there that you may need. So let's get started. So in order to begin, you have 10 screws on the back of your MacBook Pro. So you got these screws right here. These 3 screws right here are longer. So we're going to go ahead and start to take those out first. What you'll need to use to get the screws out is a Phillips 00 screwdriver. Okay, so let's begin by taking out the 3 longer screws first. And then you'll take the rest of the other screws out now. And then you're going to lift up. Now that we have opened our MacBook Pro, we can see the inner workings of our MacBook. Here's your hard drive. Here's your battery. Here's your RAM. Now there are slots on each side of your RAM case that you will need to pull to the side. And you want to press them simultaneously away from the RAM cards. Now, when you are putting in your new RAM upgrade, you want to put the RAM cards inside that casing according to where that notch is. So now that we have installed our new RAM upgrade kit into our MacBook Pro, the last and final step to complete this process is to put the back of your computer back on and screw the screwdrivers back in. Please keep in mind that the top 3 screws are the longest. So now, the next step is to flip your MacBook Pro over and turn on your computer. Thank you guys for watching. and I hope you enjoyed the video.